The fire burned too fast to save. I watched the smoke curl into the grave. Footsteps fade on soaked stone streets. I trace the path of vanished feet. Every word left unsaid falls like rain. Ashes in the rain, I'll hold your name, even when the wind carries it away. Ashes in the rain, nothing remains except the weight and the quiet ache. I walk the ruins of our days, listen to what the water says. Every shadow bends and sways. Every memory finds its place. Even loss can teach the heart to speak. Ashes in the rain, I'll carry the flame, even when the night forgets my name. Ashes in the rain, time won't remain, but I'll remember the quiet pain. If I let go too fast, I'll forget the past. Ashes in the rain, I'll hold your name, even when the storm meets the flame. Ashes in the rain, nothing remains, but I still grieve.